Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for visiting. Here you will be inspired and motivated on a daily basis. Are you ready to ignite your passion, awaken your potential, and conquer your goals? Welcome to your daily dose of inspiration, where every moment is a chance to transform your life. In just 1 minute, we'll fill your soul with the fire of motivation, guiding you on the path to greatness. Here you will find peace, joy, hope, and love every day. Join us on this journey of empowerment. Here you will have extraordinary people accomplish extraordinary feats. Let's break through barriers, defy expectations, and unleash the unstoppable force within each of us. Let us live our best life. So, buckle up and get ready for your daily injection of motivation. Together, we'll soar to new heights and create the life of our dreams because in this 1 minute, anything is possible. Subscribe now and let's embark on this epic adventure together. Let's make today the first step towards your brightest tomorrow.